Installing Python. Follow these steps to download and install the Python software. Step 1. Open the website http://www.python.org/downloads.
Step 2. Click on the Download Python 3.12.6 button.
Step 3. Double-click on the downloaded software. You can either look at the bottom of the screen or locate the software in the Downloads folder of your computer. The security warning dialog box appears. Step 4. Click on Run button. The Python setup window appears. Step 5. Select the Add Python to Path checkbox. Step 6. Click on Install Now button. After a few seconds, Python will be successfully installed on your computer.